Ang question ko po ay for Sir Santiago. Nakaraang taon po, daan-daang mga lumad ang bumisita sa UP Diliman para sa Manilakbayan 2015 upang i-forward yung kanilang protesta laban sa una, land grabbing, pangalawa, militarization, at pangatlo, paramilitary na presence na allegedly ay backed by AFP. Bilang ex-military man, ano po ang inyong uh, paraan para i-forward yung issue ng mga lumad sa Senado through legislation?
Alam mo yung may mga karapatan yung lumads, meron silang mga hinaing. We should listen to them. Ang military, we have been with them. Kaya lang ang problema, ang military is just one of the instrumentalities of government. There are so many things that we want to do. As a former military man, marami kaming alam na solusyon sa problema. But you know, civilian supremacy over the military is there. Minsan may gusto kong gawin, even deployment of troops. Ang nagpiprepare dyan are the politicians. Ayaw namin lagyan, palalagyan sa amin. What can we do? No? So yung mga lumads, we will give them what is due to them. Ang military is there. As a matter of one of the leaders of the lumads sa Mindanao was a former military officer, si Colonel Noble. So familiar kami, and actually he's the one leading the way. And that works to the advantage of the military because nakakapag-usap-usap kami because they represent the lumads.